'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks.
In recent years, AI has been at the center of many advancements, but one of the most controversial developments is its role in warfare. Autonomous weapons, capable of identifying and engaging targets without human intervention, are no longer science fiction. They're becoming a reality.
'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what
And with them comes serious ethical dilemmas, particularly around the issue of accountability. There are several reasons why autonomous weapons are raising alarms in the global community. First, by removing human oversight, we lose the ability to apply moral judgment in combat situations. Can an algorithm truly weigh the value of human life or understand the consequences of collateral damage?
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it.
Who is responsible when things go wrong? If an autonomous drone mistakenly kills civilians, is it the fault of the programmer, the military, or the AI itself? With no clear line of accountability, victims may never see justice.
I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life.
These weapons could make it easier to start or escalate conflicts. With machines doing the fighting, human life may seem less at risk, potentially lowering the threshold for entering war.
'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want.
Philosopher Immanuel Kant believed that morality stems from free will and the ability to make conscious choices. He once said, "Act only according to that maxim, whereby you can at the same time will that it should become a universal law."
Have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see.
But can a machine, which lacks autonomy, be held to the same moral standards? Can it be expected to act in a way that respects universal laws of morality when it doesn't understand them? As autonomous weapons become more advanced, the question remains, should we trust machines to make decisions in warfare where human lives are on the line? And if we do, who will be held accountable when things go wrong? Can we truly hold AI accountable for its actions in war? What do you think?
Shit my way. So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah,